Hey guys, welcome back to the Co-op Survivor. And today, it is now episode 2 with Unflammable Gaming. And it's their place. And as you can see, guys, we haven't completed this house yet. So I'm gonna start now. I know you guys are crumbling in your house. Why don't we have an item? It is because we have been killed by a zombie, a baby zombie, in the night.
Oh my God!
It's so interrupting. It interrupts my day. So guys, I'm gonna
Hindi ko na save.
ano.
Ay, na-save ko na.
And guys, I'm gonna make a stone axe so that oh
Welcome back, guys.
I forget.
My channel. Yes.
Wow,
Yeah.
very good. Unflammable Gaming, what did you do? Very good. Yay.
Do this. So, may pwede isa. Sorry for that sound. What is this? Creeper! Oh.
Creeper, don't cook the creeper in our house.
No.
You're gonna explode our house.
No.
No.
It's the water.
Oh, I thought it was located in the...
Let me make a birch wood.
What did you say?
Birch wood plant.
Dirt wood?
Plant.
Dirt?
Birch.
Oh, I thought it was dirt.
Sorry for that, guys.
Yeah,
It's noob. Joke.
yeah, I'm a noob. Noob. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna make furnace for us so that we can make oh guys, sorry for the notifications. It's so yeah. Guys, as you can see, our house is ruined.
Yes, I'm making my room.
And we're gonna call this house the wrecked house. Because it's so freaking badly. What is that? What are you doing on Flammable Gaming?
Making my room.
Yeah, me too. We're gonna make this place a historical place, historical monument. And the kids will visit this. Guys, sorry for the notifications. My friends always chatting with me, so I'm sorry about that. Hey, Unflammable Gaming, how long is this video?
What? What?
Guys, sorry about
2
that.
minutes.
Oh, I have an apple. I have a pen.
I have an apple. Apple.
Oh, look at this. Poor cow. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill your friends. I'm gonna kill your mom. I'm gonna kill your every family of yours. I'm gonna kill you. Don't kill me. I'm gonna kill you. Ha ha. Poor cow.
Good cow.
Poor cow.
Very nice freaking, very nice freaking.
You
very
cow are dirt. So dirty. And you're dirt.
So, guys, if you want this
Guys,
video,
if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and smash the like button.
yeah.
And comment down below what do you think we will do in the next episode of this.
Minecraft Co-op Survival.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And guys, if you think that um that that wait, never mind. I'm gonna make my own house because that house is so freaking ugly.
So this is my house.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I'm gonna make my own house.
We're gonna take some wood. No, I'm gonna kill this people.
Oh no!
What?
I just placed a wrong block.
Oh, I think it's turning nighttime.
Huh? It's turning night time? So fast?
I don't know.
So guys, if you think that I can make this house this very night, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Because if you subscribe,
No, it's turning nighttime.
no it is not. It is not yet turning night time.
It is.
No, it is not yet.
Oh, I know.
Wait, I don't have a torch. I don't have anything. I don't have.
So get some wood.
I'm gonna. Wow, there's a shortcut here.
There we go. There we go.
I'm gonna smelt this wood so that I can have a torch. Unflammable, please don't touch my charcoals
Oh,
in here.
okay.
And if you touch them, I will kill you.
No, I don't want to kill you. I don't want to kill you. You don't want to kill me.
I want to kill you.
Oh, turning nighttime.
Huh? Is it?
I
No!
don't know.
No, please. I will finish my house. Please. No. No, please.
It's
Sky.
minutes.
No. Please. At least I have a charcoal for the night so that it's not dark.
No. My. Oh.
Oh my god. What are you doing? My house. Wow. Our house is getting nice. Huh? Oh, I mean your house, not my house. I'm gonna finish my house.
I had some food. Why is my hand is not? Never mind.
Guys,
What's in my house?
can we get 5 likes for today? And our subscriber goal is 10 for today because you know we are new YouTubers.
Yeah,
We are kids.
yeah.
So if you think that we're gonna we will be a popular YouTuber, please smash that like button.
Bam, 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 boom.
I'm gonna go get some wood so that I can finish my house. Again, guys, sorry for the lag. Cause sometimes when we are recording, it's so laggy.
Yup. I always say yeah.
And it is now turning nighttime.
I don't
No. Oh, you don't care?
care.
Cause you,
I'm in my house.
cause you have a house. I don't have a house.
No, you have.
No, I
You
don't have.
rented me.
No, I don't have. It is your house. I'm gonna finish my house.
Oh, you're not scary.
Yeah, I'm not scared.
I will challenge you.
Yeah, if
Can
I
you make your house in the nighttime? Oh,
guys, if you think that I can survive this night without a house, please smash that like button very hard so that the screen of your phone will break.
sorry for the rain sound.
Oh guys, it is raining badly for now. So we're gonna speak loudly.
So guys, 10 minutes ago.
So guys, we're gonna end this video for now. Cause
Thanks for watching.
thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.
Bye guys.
Bye.